don't ever go. If you go, it will make me sad. I can't help it but cry, and to lose all the love we had if we say goodbye. Give me another chance, and please do understand that it's hard to fall in love. So please don't ever go. If you go, it will make me sad. I can't help it but cry, and to lose all the love we have if we say goodbye. Give me another chance, and please do understand that it's hard to fall in love. So please don't ever go. So please don't ever go. So please don't ever go. Thank you.
Ayun, napakaganda. Ano yan, Coach? Ate Beta? Sa simbahan ba yan na song? Maria G, ikaw na muna ha. Tinawag ako.
Kanta ni Eddie Peregrina. Since you've been gone, loneliness surrounds me. You find me waiting, just in case you change your mind. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart, beating fast for you. With the wind gone, yesterday I know I've been crying over you. I can stand it no more, to be left here all alone. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart. Hello, beating fast for you. since you've been gone. Shout out Pinay Vlog Germany, hello. Yesterday I know I've been crying over you. I can stand it no more. To be left here all alone. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating back for you. Since you've been gone, beating back for you. Since you've been gone. Welcome natin, Pinay Vlogs in Germany. Ganda tanghali. Tanghali ako.
Hello, Mami Pinay.
Sir Parts, may galang shoutout.
Mga alas 2 na dyan, ano?
Ano na? Ika lang.
7 o?
6 minutes para mag-alas 5. 6 minutes para mag-alas 5 ng hapon.
Sa 5?
Mag-alas 5 na.
Tapo na. Oh, sige, ikaw naman.
Hello po again, Mami.
Love shoutout na Maria G. Kumusta kayo dyan?
Natatawa ko nung kailan ba ako nag-live, diba? Tapos after ng live ko, meron akong inakyatan. Tapos after nung inakyatan ko, meron pa akong pinuntahan. Nakita ko si Mami Pinay. Sabi ko, nahuli ako. Anong oras na yun? Anong oras na yun? Parang 2 oras lang yung tulog ko, 3 oras. Tapos alam mo yung gusto, parang ayaw mo pa bumangon. Pero yung katawan mo, sanay na rin bumangon ng alas 5 ata ng umaga. Yung parang, sabi ko, kakatulog ko palang babangon na. Parang ayaw mo bumangon, pero ano.
Grabe ka, nagpuyat ka?
Di ba, after ko nag-live, meron din akong inakyatan pa. Wala. Yun. Back to you.
Ikaw na yata.
Kasi nagsusupport naman sila sa live ko, pumapasok naman sila, di ba? Kaya syempre, kahit pa paano nagbabalik ako ng support. Kaya yun.
Syempre, paminsan-minsan pag may oras.
O, pag may oras.
Si host Bibitlog, iniwan ko na.
Silent lang naman yun. Ay, silent lang naman yun. Biglang gano'n, no?
Premier siya.
Oo, sige.
Sige na, nandiyan si Sir Parts na saan?
Mag-mute na ako.
Sino ba kakanta?
Wala sisi.
Ako ba?
Oo. Ito bago na.
Okay. Subukan lang. Big love shoutout sa lahat dyan. Sir Parts, nagtatago sa Sir Parts. Ay, sorry. Nalubat yung cellphone ko eh. Dito ako sa tab ko. Love shout out. Magandang hapon. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are, I cry this tear. On our own, we've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they'd me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why you're there, no looking back. Tinitignan ako sa bintana. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Yung driver, tinitignan ako sa harap. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Oh. Yung lamisa ko kasi nasa harap na ng bintana, kaya nakikita ako yung mga nagpa-park dito sa harap ko. Sasara ko sana, kailang didilim naman ako. Sara ko sana yung cortina ko. Mainit. Kape po tayo. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why you're where, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, I traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Ayan, back to you, Sisi Host. Sir Parts, nalaktawan ka na naman. Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Ngayon lang ako nakabalik, Ate,
Aso.
Aling Zeta. Zeta pala pangalan mo, Ate Pinay?
Yes.
Zeta.
Is
Tapos si Ate
Zeta.
Angel.
Yeah.
Si Ate Angel.
Hindi ko lang alam. Ophel yata. Hindi ko lang alam.
Philia.
Ophelia
Tapos
baka.
Rita, tapos
Hindi ko lang
Maria.
hindi ko pa siya natanong kung ano talagang name.
Yung totoong pangalan ni Ate Angel.
Ah,
Akala ko
si
Angel yung
Sis
pangalan
Helen.
Hindi pala.
Si
Ate
Helen
Vita, ako
is
na ba?
Helen
Ate Vita?
talaga siguro. Ikaw na.
Oo, umalis ka ng kanina.
Sige.
Layas ka ng layas. Sige, mag-mute na ako.
Tinatimpla ko ng gatas. Ni Bibi. Wow, kape.
Katapos ko lang magtanghalian eh.
Tapos kape.
Nakita ko sila nag-live eh. Tapos nalubat naman yung cellphone ko. Chinarge ko habang naka-charge. Di kumain na ako ng tanghalian. Tapos ngayon kape naman.
Sige.
O sige na. It's your
Ayan, sa
turn,
mga
Sir
nagkakape
Bart.
dyan. Let's enjoy the song. Ayan guys, hinahinaan natin ng konti. Enjoy the song. Please do subscribe sa mga natin, kasamahan natin dito sa Bibitlog Family. I've still been searching, and long have I waited for someone to like me as me, to love with, to cry with, to be just beside with a friend. That's who I need. To fight with, make up with, to know that you need them, believing that they need you too. To walk hand in hand with, to argue, to talk with a friend. That's who I need. And even though I make mistakes, never do anything right, a smile, a hug can change all that, and everything will be alright. Someone who'll share all my dreams and ambitions, someone who'll love me as me. I need this person, someone to rely on, a friend. That's who I need. A friend, that's who I need. Thank you. Ayan. A friend, that's who I need. So lahat natin may mga kaibigan, no? Ayan. Let us multiply. Ayan. Ate Vita, alam mo ba yung go to the world and multiply?
Hindi. Kantahin mo muna. Nako.
Dalawa yung sinabihan, no? Go to the world and multiply, hindi isa. Kasi pag isa lang i-multiply, di one lang palagi ang tao. Sige na, Ate Vita. Thank you.
Si Maria G muna. Si Maria G.
Natulog siguro. Maria G. Maria G. Maria H. Maria L. Maria I. Maria J. Maria K. Maria L. Maria M. Wala. Nakatulog na siguro. Grabe, nakatulog na siguro, no?
Ako muna.
Sige, sige.